Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your network and iPhone are ready. Connect the Apple TV 4K to your TV's HDMI 2. One port and power it up. You'll see a pairing screen. Once the on-screen code appears, unlock your iPhone and hold it near the Apple TV so device setup transfers settings automatically. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. If you prefer manual entry, choose Manual Setup and enter the Wi-Fi password using the remote or on-screen keyboard. Once done with pairing, you'll sign in with your Apple ID so apps, subscriptions, and HomeKit devices sync. Next, go to Settings Video and Audio to set HDR, refresh rate, and color output. Make sure Match Content is enabled to preserve frame rate and dynamic range. Then open the App Store to download streaming apps you use. Organize apps on the home screen by pressing and holding the remote touch surface, then move or delete to streamline navigation. You finish by configuring Siri and the Siri remote for voice control, and by adding the Apple TV to the Home app so you can use HomeKit scenes. Enable AirPlay in settings and test casting a video from your iPhone or Mac to confirm smooth playback. Make sure night mode or sound mode matches your setup. If playback stutters or apps fail to sign in, restart the Apple TV first. If that doesn't work, reset network settings or restore the device as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.